In the marketplace, your consumers might get help paying for their coverage each month. That's no coincidence. Some consumers qualify for a type of financial assistance known as APTC. APTC stands for Advanced Payment of the Premium Tax Credit. In short, it's financial assistance that helps eligible consumers pay for marketplace health coverage. Instead of waiting until tax time, this credit is applied in advance, lowering monthly premiums based on a consumer's anticipated yearly income. To qualify for APTC, consumers must meet a few key criteria. Their annual household income needs to be within 100% and 400% of the federal poverty level. They agree to file a federal tax return for the year they're receiving coverage, or be claimed as a dependent by someone who does. If married, they're not using the married filing separately status on their tax return. They must be enrolled in a marketplace plan, other than catastrophic coverage, for at least 1 month during the year. And they aren't eligible for, or enrolled in, other minimum essential coverage. Here's how it works. APTC can be applied directly to the monthly premium. That means the credit is subtracted before the consumer pays, so they only cover the remaining balance. And here's the important part. APTC is based on anticipated income. If this estimate is inaccurate, and a consumer receives more than they're eligible for, they will have to pay back the excess. Or if the consumer received less than they're eligible for, they could receive additional savings when they file their taxes. This process is called reconciliation. Reconciliation happens during tax season. Using IRS Forms 1095-A and 8962, the IRS compares the APTC the consumer received with the amount they actually qualified for based on their final income. Any difference will impact their tax refund or the amount of federal income tax they owe. And that's it. Keep these tips in mind next time you're working with a consumer who is eligible for APTC. For more information, please visit the Agent and Broker Resources page on cms.gov.